Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Audi Q3. First, make sure your key fob is inside the vehicle with you. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. Next, locate the engine start/stop button, usually found on the dashboard or center console. Press this button once to start the engine. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps, ensuring a smooth start every time you drive. Sometimes, if your key fob battery is low, the car might not detect it immediately. In such cases, look for a designated slot, often near the steering column or in the center console. Place your key fob directly into this slot. This allows the car to read the key's transponder directly, bypassing the need for a strong battery signal. Once placed, you can then proceed to press the start button as usual. This is a crucial tip for those unexpected moments. If your Audi Q3 still doesn't start, first confirm the transmission is securely in park or neutral. The car will not start in any other gear for safety reasons. Next, consider your car's main battery. A weak or dead car battery can prevent the engine from turning over. You might notice dim lights or no dashboard lights at all. Lastly, ensure all doors are completely closed, as some vehicles have safety interlocks preventing starting with an open door. To avoid future starting problems, remember to replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. Also, consistent vehicle maintenance, like checking your car battery and fluids, is essential for overall reliability. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals. Keeping your Audi Q3 in top shape ensures a reliable and enjoyable driving experience for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.